John here from Carpet Cleaner Success Podcast, and in this episode we're going to talk about Facebook ad tips to boost your results.
Welcome to the Carpet Cleaner Success Podcast, a show created to inspire carpet cleaning business owners to build their own thriving residential and commercial cleaning business. Your host, John Clendenning, has built and sold successful cleaning businesses for multiple six figures over his 30-year career and is the founder of Carpet Cleaner Marketing Masters, a digital agency that turns your online marketing into a lead generation machine. Tune in as John shares proven tips, strategies, and expert interviews to help fast-track your success in the carpet cleaning industry.
You know that your carpet cleaning business has so much to offer. Your products and services are top tier. Your customers love you, but still there you are clicking on every search result hoping to find that holy grail strategy when it comes to creating a successful Facebook ad. If this is you, then let's stick around. Sure, there's lots of Facebook ad tips on the web. However, the majority of them provide superficial instructions such as install a Facebook pixel or create a Facebook audience. I know you're sick of hearing the same old rehashed tips and strategies. So let's get down to the meat and potatoes of what it takes to really have a successful Facebook ads. If you want to reach every member of your target audience and stay ahead of the competition, you'll need to optimize your Facebook ads both before and after they go live. So be prepared to work for it if you want results. But the good news is it's well worth the time and effort. So let's go over a few of my most important Facebook ad optimization tips to help you take your campaigns to that next level. Tip number 1, increase the number of likes and shares on your Facebook ad. Now when it comes to your Facebook, likes and shares are vital. It's called social proof, and it goes something like this. If other people appreciate the content, then it must be good, right? Well, the same is true for your Facebook ads. And you have two options when you're creating a Facebook ad campaign. The default is to generate an entirely new piece of content for each ad set. And the other is to use a current post option. And it's frequently overlooked, but it's a very effective technique to increase the number of likes and shares for your advertising. So you can use existing post option to aggregate all the campaign post engagement on that single ad. Now, if you're wondering how certain advertisers get hundreds or even thousands of likes on their Facebook ads, it's likely this exact optimization technique. The simplest approach is to create numerous ad campaigns with the same content. So first, what you're going to do is create a promotional post on your Facebook page. Then, anytime you create new campaigns or A/B tests of variations of those campaigns, you simply choose that post, which already has all of that social proof linked to it. Now, tip number 2 is to use the FTO or first takeoff technique. It may take a while for the campaign to build up enough momentum for the results to improve, especially if you're dealing with a limited budget. That's why I prefer to use the rapid takeoff or FTO method to speed up that optimization process. Now the FTO technique kind of works something like this. So you're going to allocate a daily or lifetime budget that exceeds your anticipated budget for the beginning of the campaign. But avoid using expedited delivery since Facebook will prioritize ad delivery speed over quality and expense. You can evaluate what's working and what needs to be improved once your ad has received over 10,000 impressions. Then you can lower the budget after that initial campaign launches to meet your entire intended expenditure. But remember, after each new change, you'll need to give your Facebook at least 24 hours to modify the performance of your ads. So be sure to wait that 24 to even 48 hours after making significant modifications to your campaign before drawing any conclusions. Tip number 3, make your calendar more efficient. Are your Facebook campaigns active 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and reaching your target audience? Analyze your Facebook ad account is a crucial aspect of Facebook optimization. And I found that certain days and hours are always better than others. So go to your Facebook Ads Manager reports and use the breakdown tab to break down your ads by day to discover which days of the week provide the most conversions to your and the lowest cost per action, CPA. To determine the optimal times, use your performance data from your previous Facebook ads. Then you can set specific time frames when your audience is most likely to respond. This data allows you to easily identify which times of day perform best. Then you can use this data to create an hourly timetable for the campaigns to make sure that they are only running during the most effective times of day. Tip number 4, ad fatigue may be avoided by rotating your ads. This means that the cost per click will skyrocket when your target demographic has viewed your Facebook ad 4 or more times. So how can you make your Facebook ad campaign more engaging so that you don't have people getting tired of seeing it? Well, it's by creating a variety of ads using Facebook ad styles. Create an ad campaign with multiple ad sets, each with a distinct message, and schedule each set of ads to run different days of the week. People will see a fresh ad every day as a result, and your advertising will no longer be monotonous. By applying just a few of the techniques outlined here, you will see a boost in the ad's effectiveness without boosting your ad budget. Now, if you want more cutting edge and free marketing advice to help grow your carpet cleaning business, just head over to our website at Carpet Cleaner Marketing Masters and click on the CCMM Mag link to get your hands on this month's issue. And while you're there, sign up for alerts so you never miss an issue chock full of important, actionable marketing advice. Till next time, take care and happy cleaning.